In this video, we focus on looking over the state of the engine, find some big leaks, add an exhaust system, and upgrade some parts along the way. But first, a quick review of how we started off the project. We focused on the exterior of this WRX that was in need of fixing up. With a slew of replacement parts including a new rear bumper, trunk lid, roof rack, gas door, and more. Check out the video of our WRX playlist for the transformative before and after.
We bought the car for very cheap. We bought it for, half price of any other Subaru that's this year, that anywhere in my area. So obviously there's going to be some things wrong with it, things that need to be looked at. At what point the motor was replaced with another used motor. So right now the body has about 217,000 miles on it. For the miles, the body actually isn't that bad at all. The motor still pretty quiet. There's things we want to look at. We're gonna kind of go through the car. We're gonna go through the mechanicals, check everything out, see what it needs. All right, well, the car is still warm from just coming back. First couple of things I want to do is I want to check. We want to kind of go through and just kind of check, obviously all the easy stuff. Let's check our oil. We're going to check the air filter, which I did already outside. And here's the old filter that I pulled out of here. There is all the crap that I pounded out of it. And this thing was absolutely completely filthy. So something easy that, needs to be done. It was full of dirt, black dirt. So we're going to go through and just kind of check the easy stuff, get a kind of like lay of the land of what's going on. So we swapped this out, and I had a K&N laying around. Let's check the oil. Let's see where that's at, and then we'll check the trans and we'll see where that's at. Oil is a little bit low. We are going to change the oil. We'll get that done, but it doesn't look too bad. Okay, let's check the trans fluid. And the trans fluid, we're also a little bit low here, so let's top this off as well. Alright, and we are good now. The previous owner did replace the radiator. The radiator is brand new, so that's something we don't have to worry about. So as we check the coolant level is fine. Maybe we could top it off a little bit, but right now it's actually perfect. Temperatures were completely fine coming home. Another thing that was replaced right before I bought it is the turbo. The turbo is brand new, so that is another thing we're not going to have to worry about.
I fixed my AC with a hammer. My clutch was not moving, and I tapped it a couple times, and boom, it started rolling. It was just a little frozen up, dude. And then the reason I sold that was because my gauge was actually reading red, And so I just went into the instructions, read a couple things about compressor clutch engagement, checked over there, saw that the clutch was not engaging, gave it a little tap, mended it myself, mate. And now I got cold air. It's not the coldest, but it's pretty nice. AC fixed.
So the next thing is, I want to put some exhaust on the car. There's the car has nothing. Basically, the car right now, when I got it, didn't have an exhaust. It's basically just cut off after the factory downpipe. So I picked this exhaust up for pretty cheap. Basically, I got it almost for free because I bought a bunch of parts at once, as you'll be seeing. But this is a SPT catback. It was cut off of the car. It came off a total car, and so it will have to be welded up at the front. But for being almost free, it's pretty much worth it. So I'm gonna get it on the car, and then we'll take it to the exhaust shop and basically just have a piece made from here to here to finish it off. But yeah, it was a good score, and let's get on the car.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap this one up with fixing the problem areas and adding upgrades as we go. I think we have the engine squared away to where we want for now. If you like these videos, please share and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Stay tuned for more because I've really been enjoying fixing this WRX up. Catch you on the next one.
But just needed to update. But basically, instead of putting this